Good morning friends. Myself Professor Digambar Prataprao Patil from Bhagwan Mahavidyalaya Asti. My roll number is 23. Today in this session I will discuss you with the topic cancer. The uncontrolled abnormal fast growth and multiplication of the cells forming a tumor in any part of the body that is known as the cancer. Rapid growth, multiplication and formation of mass of undifferentiated cells is known as the tumor, or that is also known as the neoplasia. The millions of deaths they are occurred due to the cancer. Then the peculiarities of the cancers, they are the neoplasia, cancer cells they are formed lymph of the tumor. Then the metastasis, cancerous cells spread in fresh tissue through blood and produce secondary tumor or a new colony. Anaplasia, reversion of differentiated cells into undifferentiated cells, is called anaplasia. It is associated with the following changes: abnormal mitosis, large and irregular nucleus and nucleolus, chromosomal abnormality, decreased nucleocytoplasmic ratio, loss of contact inhibition, bring rapid glycolysis, derive more nutrients, and cells are sensitive to X-rays and radiations. Then the types of the tumors, or the first one is the benign or non-malignant tumor, and the second one is the cancerous or malignant tumor. Means these are the two types of the tumors. One is the malignant tumor and another one is the non-malignant tumor. And so the non-malignant tumors, it is the not a cancerous tumor, but the malignant tumor is the cancerous tumor. So these are the two figures. They are shown. The first figure shows the tumors. Here the tumor, and that tumor is known as the non-malignant tumor, or that is also known as the benign tumor, and this part shows the cancerous tumor or the malignant tumor. Then the another one is this is the benign or the non-malignant tumor. Here the benign tumor is a mass of differentiated cells which develops slowly. It is enveloped by fibrous connective tissue sheath and separated from other tissues. It does not spread into neighboring tissues and does not cause any harm to the tissues. It is harmless tumor and can be removed surgically. However, some tumors they are the harmful, and the example is the brain tumor. So this is the second tumor is the cancerous tumor, or that is also known as the malignant tumor. This begins with the fast growth and multiplication of the cancerous cell. It consists of undifferentiated cells and not covered by the sheath. It is contact with other tissues and spread through blood or lymph in fresh tissues. It produces secondary tumors, and that tumors they are known as the metastasis. It is harmful and may cause a death. So the types of the cancers there are the number of types of the cancers. The first one is the carcinomas types of the cancers. These are developed from embryonic ectodermal or endodermal cells forming a skin or mucosa, and the examples they are the carcinomas tumors. They are the skin cancer, lung cancer, stomach cancer, breast cancers, etc. The another type of the cancer is the sarcomas type of the cancers. These are developed from embryonic mesoderm forming the connective tissue, and the example is the bone cancer. Then the third one is the lymphomas type of the cancers. These are developed from lymph glands, lymphoid tissue, enlargement of the lymph glands and increase in the number of lymphocytes takes place, and the example is the cancer of lymph glands. Then the another type of the cancer is the leukemias type of the cancer. It is developed from blood forming tissue, and that is the bone marrow. Generally it is called as the blood cancer. WBCs they are increased and RBCs they are the decreased, and at that time the leukemias type of the cancers will be developed in the body. So the causes of the cancers, they are the cancer is caused by the different agents or chemicals. They are known as the carcinogens. The carcinogens they are activated the oncogenes, and the activated oncogenes they are bring a rapid abnormal multiplication of the cells leading to the cancer. Carcinogens are the following types. They are the radiations, long exposure to X-rays, ultraviolet rays, radioactive substances and isotopes. They are cause mutations in the genetic material and increase the possibility of the skin cancer. Chemicals benzene, arsenic, polycyclic hydrocarbons, tar, lead, cadmium and chromium are the carcinogenic chemicals cause cancer of esophagus, rectum, skin, etc. And then the addictions, the number of people they are addicted from the tobacco smoking, alcoholism and drug addictions, they are increase the chances of the mouth and the lung cancer. And then the other causes of the cancer is the pollution, mutation, DNA virus and some retrovirus. They are produce the cancers. Professional factors are also responsible to develop cancer. And the example is the persons they are working in paint industries, which making the companies and as radiologists are more prone to the cancer. Symptoms of the cancers are they are appear only in the late stage and may be considered as the danger signals. These are sudden and abnormal change in the shape, size and color of warts or moles, development of lump or heart tumor in any part of the body, sudden change in the bowel and bladder habits, persistent cough, voraciousness, difficulty in swallowing, severe pain and discomfort, unexplained loss in the body weight. And the preventive measures of the cancers they are avoiding the cause of the cancer is the best preventive measure, such as avoiding the long exposure to radiations and direct contact with carcinogenic chemicals, avoiding smoking, tobacco addiction and alcoholism may present mouth and lung cancers, avoid the use of synthetic colors in food, occupational persons should use protective devices, release of carcinogenic pollutants through industries be strictly banned. Then the treatment of the cancer is cancer can be cured if it is detected in early stage. In late stage, complete cure is difficult. Following treatments are used. Then the treatment, first one is the surgical method. Cancerous parts are removed by operative methods. The tumors of breast, stomach and womb removed by surgery. Drug of chemotherapy, number of drugs or chemicals they are used to kill the cancerous cells. Example, vincristine and vinblastine. The drugs kills cancerous as well as the normal cells. Leukemia and lymphoma are treated by the drug therapy. Then radiation therapy, cancerous parts are exposed to X-rays or radioactive cobalt 60 and radium. Radiation destroy cancer cells and stop spreading of cancer cells into other parts. Cancer of skin, cervix, neck and bladder are treated with the radiation therapy. It inactivates and stops spreading of cancerous cells in other tissues. Combined therapy. Then depending upon condition and stage of the cancer, any two methods of the treatments are used at a time. So friends, I will explain the cancer PowerPoint presentations. Thank you.